In this video, I will guide you on how to put coupon codes in Shein. First, launch open the Shein app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, explore the app and find the items that you want to purchase. Once you have found it, simply tap on it. Now tap on Add to Cart option. Once you have added all the items to your cart, you want to tap on the cart icon at the top of your screen. Now select the items, then tap on Checkout. On this page, you will have to enter your shipping address, then select your payment method. Now you will find a section called Apply Voucher. Tap on it. It's going to show you some available coupons here. You can simply select that and apply it, or if you have a coupon code from somewhere else, then you can simply type it over here. Make sure that you type in the accurate coupon code, then tap on the apply option. If it is valid, then it is going to be successfully applied. Now tap on the continue option, complete your payment process, and the discount will be included in your purchase. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.